Hi guys, welcome to the lesson. In this unit, we'll learn the 13th chapter. Number of chapter is 13, and the unit is graphs. It's very important unit. What is the graphs? Okay, we'll learn in this lesson, and please follow me carefully. And this today's topic is very enjoyable. Graphs is very enjoyable, and we will learn it to make it easier and simplify our works. Okay, you will understand what I mean in the during the lessons or following minutes. So there's we have like every time always we're using the keywords, equation, line segment, the midpoint. Okay, please check it with your dictionaries. Okay, and so please check these words with the dictionary if you don't understand it, the means of these words. And we have coordinate system, and we have x-axis and y-axis. So y and x-axis, as you see, our horizontal straight line called x, and the vertical line or the called y. Okay, so in this line, name of in this line is y, the name of horizontal line our x. Okay, so the totally the result of our this system, coordinate system. Okay, and as you see here we have some values of x and y. So first value is always x and the second value is y. In this case, in the first area we have four areas. Okay, for separate units, in the first and the second area, third and fourth. In coordinate system, in the first values always our the values of x, and the second value is our y. Okay, so graphs also have many practical applications in real life, and a graph can be easier to read and understand than a table or chart or card. Okay, so drawing graphs of equations. Lines parallel to the x-axis have equations of the form y is equal to a. Okay, so the lines parallel to the x-axis have equations of the form y is equal to a. The a is everything, every number. Okay, it's only constant number, -4 or +17 or +2 and -3 and blah blah. And also lines parallel to the y-axis have equations of the form x is equal to a number. This makes them easy to recognize the draw. In these examples, the number may be referred to as a constant. As you see here, I have the coordinate system and the some values of x and y. And here also, you will see x is equal to 12. The value of x is 12. What was the x-axis? It is horizontal line, and y was our vertical line. Okay, it's y and x. For example, the value of y is here with the first area 1, 2, 3, 2 plus infinity. And as second or third area, we have -1, -2, -3, and blah, 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 minus negative infinity. Am I right? And here also, the values of y also, the above values are all, of course, positives. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus infinity, and above the line. Okay, so our the values of y is negative 3, blah blah blah, to negative infinity. Okay, and don't forget this table, coordinate system, its name also, the coordinate system we will use in the following lessons. So the four more complicated equations, it's helpful to start with a table of values. The table will give the coordinates of points on a line. Then you can plot the points and join them to draw the graph. Okay, stop the video, and if you don't understand, you will check your video dictionaries or Google Translator. Okay, please stop the video and to check your some, how can I say, noun words. Okay, there's we have one worked example. The first one, complete the table of values for y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, first of all, we need our equations is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Don't forget, it's our equation. Okay, and here, as you see, the values of x. Okay, so x, y, the values of x. Okay, it's connected with the values of y. How it's? Okay, let's show it. Let's show you now. Please use this equation, and you can put the place of x in the first case minus 2. Okay, when you put the place of x minus 2, you will get a minus 8. Let's check it. The first case, 2 times, what was the x? Minus 2, minus 2, negative 2, and negative 4. And the first case, or the first value of y, is equal to 2 plus, or positive 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And there we have minus 4, that is equal to minus 8. Okay, we'll get a minus 8. And for example, when you put the place of x to minus 1, okay, when you put the place of x minus 1, so the answer will be 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. And when you put the 0, it's 0 times 2 is 0, whereas we have only minus 4. And when you put the place of x1, you will get minus 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and minus 4 is the answer is minus 2. And when you put the place of x2, if you will put the place of x2, positive 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, now we will put the place of x all values, and we get some values. Okay, the first step. And the second step, draw a graph of this equation. How can you draw it? Okay, I want to draw here y-axis first of all, and x-axis. Don't forget y-axis and x-axis. Horizontal line is y-axis, and vertical line is, straight line is our y-axis. And what was the first value of x? Is minus 2. Minus 2 is the left side of the graph, horizontal line. And the second value was minus 1. And the third is 0, is every time the middle of this coordinate system. Okay, it's 0 included x and y. Okay, and a plus 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, blah blah blah. And others, the values of y was negative 8, is here approximately negative 8. Okay, so below the straight line, our vertical line is negative values of y, and above the line of the y is our positive values, negative y and negative x, sorry, 6, and negative 4, negative 4, and negative 2, negative 2, and 0 is here approximately, and 2 and 4. So when you put the place of x minus 2, you will get minus 8. Let's check it. Where is our minus 2 of x? Okay, here. And let's label it. Minus 8, where is minus 8? Is here. It's our first case, okay? y1, it's y1. The first case is here. The answer was minus 8. Okay, it's y1. And the y2 was minus 6. The value of x is minus 1. The value of y is minus 6. And it's here. Okay, tuck, 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 tuck. And minus 1, minus 6. And when the x is equal to 0, y was minus 4. Minus 4 is here. And 0 is here. We need this one. Okay. And when the x was 1, okay, positive 1, y was negative 2. positive 1 of x is here, and the negative 2 of y is here. Here, yes. So I can label it here. Okay. If you look there carefully, our the new straight line goes to like this. Okay. So straight line, and the place of 3, as you see here, x is 3, y is 2, y is 2, it's here. Okay. And 4, 4, x4 and y4. So our straight lines approximate, I'm so sorry, x2, this one. Okay, so what was our equation? Was y is equal to 2x minus 4. So the graph of 2x minus 4 is equal to this straight line. Okay, and as you see here also, the same straight line or the same coordinate system of this equation. Let's choose some examples. Okay, the first equation. What is the first equation? Okay, use the copy of the grid to the right to draw the each graph. Okay, please use this coordinate system or grids. Okay, for 4 equations. So what is the first equation? When y is equal to x minus 2, please use these values. Okay, so our first value is minus 4 of x, whereas minus 4 is here, and the y is equal to negative 6. So y is equal to negative 6. Okay, it's here. It's here in the first case. And when you will put the minus 2 or minus 3, okay, no problem. I want to solve the minus 2. I'll put the place of x minus 2, and minus 2 is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 2, whereas minus 2 is here, and the y is equal to minus 4. It's here. Okay. For example, when you put the place of x 0, you will get minus 2. Where's our minus negative 2 is here. Okay. Okay. And when you put the place of x 2, you will get 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. When you put the place of x 2, where's our 2 of here? It's here. You will get 0. Okay. And 3, you will put the place of x 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. X is 3 and y is 1. I see. It's also our straight line. Okay, in the first case. So what was our equation? Was y is equal to x minus 2. And the second examples, you can solve at home. Follow this way. Okay, it's not difficult, I think. And third example also the same way you can follow. The third and fourth, you can the same values. For example, I want to last example because it's some difficult, or how can I say, negative equations. So y is equal to, first of all, we need know our equation minus 2x plus 1. Okay, first value of x is minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 and plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7. So y is 7 when x is equal to minus 3. When is equal to x is minus 3, our y is equal to 7. It's here approximately. Okay. And when x is equal to minus 1, the answer will be 3. Am I right? Minus 2 times minus 1 is 2 and plus 1 is 3. X is equal to minus 1, whereas our x is equal to minus 1, and our y is equal to 3 is here. Okay, when you will put the place of x 2, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, plus 1 is minus 3. So x is equal to 2, positive 2, and y is equal to minus 3 is here. It's also straight line. I mean, it's also the straight line. The other values you can put the place of x. Okay, you'll get a straight line. Also, this line's equation is equal to y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay, it's not difficult to If you have some questions, please write me to comment part, or private. You can write me on a WhatsApp groups or the page. Okay, see you later. Please keep you healthy.